Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of March, 2025, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.83. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 6.16%. This results in an average loss of 1.54% per day since its designation as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a wide and declining trend in the short term, with indications suggesting further declines within this trend. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of approximately 6% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from nearly 9% down to 4%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of over 37%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 37% and 70% in the upcoming year. This suggests that the future price could fall within the range of $303.31 to $375.86. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple stock price down 2.92% on Tuesday. The Apple stock price fell by 2.92% on the last day, Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, from $227.48 to $220.84. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.86%, reaching a low of $217.45 and a high of $225.84. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 10.61% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, although this occurred amid falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the risk could slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 74 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $16.33 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $260.09, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price is 15.09%, or $39.25, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple recently addressed a critical security flaw that may have been exploited in sophisticated attacks, reinforcing its commitment to user safety. This swift response can bolster investor confidence and potentially stabilize stock prices in the short term, as it showcases Apple's proactive approach to cybersecurity. Conversely, amidst recent sell-offs, analysts predict that Apple, alongside competitors like Nvidia and Microsoft, could lead a technology sector recovery, especially as trade tariff uncertainties clear up. This optimism could foster renewed investor interest, driving stock growth in the longer term. Furthermore, Apple is embarking on a significant software overhaul for its operating systems, including iOS, iPadOS, and macOS, aiming to refresh user interfaces to attract a new generation of customers. This strategic shift could stimulate hardware sales and provide a much-needed catalyst for growth, despite a recent share price decline of 8%. Analysts indicate that despite current challenges, Apple remains a robust entity positioned as a cash-generating machine. With the right developments in artificial intelligence, it could reignite a rally, suggesting strong growth potential for shareholders in the coming months. Overall, these developments amplify Apple's long-term value proposition while addressing immediate concerns. Analyst ratings. On Friday, February 21st, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple a reduced grade accompanied by an upgrade action. On Wednesday, February 19th, 2025, Jefferies reported that Apple received an underperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, Goldman Sachs rated Apple with a buy grade while also issuing a hold action. Again on Wednesday, February 19th, Loop Capital Markets provided Apple with a hold grade and a downgrade action. Lastly, on that Wednesday, UBS also rated Apple as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Apple stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal is present due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected around $233.20 and $235.38. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 24th of February, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 10.65%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the upcoming days. Typically, this stock is traded at a robust volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is viewed as low. Over the last day, the stock exhibited a movement of $8.39, representing a change of 3.86% between its high and low prices. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.44%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.61. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's explore some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Apple is at $222.64. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, which indicates that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of February, 2025, Susan Wagner conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 25th of February, 2025, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 25th of February, 2025, Monica C. Lozano conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 25th of February, 2025, Arthur D. Levinson conducted an insider purchase of 1,113 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 25th of February, 2025, Andrea Jung conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 24.553. In total, insiders acquired 1,692,264 shares and sold 2,800,500 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Apple stock a good buy? Currently, Apple exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 12th of March, we anticipate that Apple will open higher by approximately 53 cents and begin trading at $221.38. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.